Hey YouTube, so we're gonna go over the trade recap for the week essentially. So starting off was some GU shorts that really was taking during Lennon kill zone, kind of right on this dip right here. Pretty much hold it for break even. Then went short a couple times during New York, ended up break even on those. Next ones were on Nasdaq on the 10th. So get something around here. I failed to take this short. We had Jerome Powell. I failed to take this low risk sell up here truthfully, so I ended up selling on this green candle down here for that push down, and that was really it. I didn't retrade anything back or this FEG or anything like that just because we had CPA. I don't know why I didn't. I just really stopped paying attention after I missed that because I typed it to my friend as it was happening and didn't take it. But the next was, I don't know what about this order. It apparently I traded at like 4:30 in the morning. I don't know anything about it, so I kind of just typed that about in my Discord. But I did trade CPI itself because of this margin call that I had on it. So I took it short immediately, and then flipped. I closed it, didn't flip long, and kind of just reshorted and got nailed on that. And then I was just so stuck in sell mode that I was really always hitting the sell button instead of actually hitting the buy when I should have, especially on GBP USD. Like I really shorted kind of in the middle, like down here. When yeah, you could have argued for it, but you really had really bad displacement, truthfully, to the downside. So, but I got kind of just FOMO trapped in this candle, in all honesty. But definitely would have made more sense to long because of that lack of displacement. And because of that, I got punished on that. And then basically went short again after breach this high. Wrote it down. Went to bed. Sat through this because got out of break even because I reshorted up here. And then I woke up, we were down here, and then I ended up longing, but I paper handed, but I took a low risk buy. Really, it was off of kind of like a 3 minute breaker almost. It ended up being. And that was off this down here. So kind of just does a 3 drives lower on the 1 minute. Forms a breaker with FEG. Retaps into it, went long at 924. Yeah, 924. So I ended up buying in here. Paper handed it on like this double pullback here. But in reality, it was just a reload back into a PD array that was offered. And that's really what I want to talk about in kind of the next video. But so I ended up blowing up higher. I relonged it after getting out down here and didn't hold through it. So I missed all this push up as well. So really just recognizing that it wasn't going short and I was offered, bullish PD arrays and everything like that. So, and if you guys have any suggestions how to actually go through these, if you want more finer details on the logic behind them, or if you just want an Excel sheet with like results and slap them on a fridge or anything like that, just put down in the comment section. I definitely want to deliver it the way you guys want it. Some people care about it, some people don't. I don't know. So it's whatever you guys kind of want. And if anyone has any other questions or anything like that you want me to go over, you can always leave it down in the comment section.